PMI Paving and Seal Coating is a very unique company for South Florida. We're a full-service asphalt and concrete construction and maintenance company. We do essentially everything for public and private roads, parking lots, sidewalks. Right now, we operate over the entire state of Florida. We have three primary branch offices in Fort Myers, Orlando, and Miami, with also offices in Tampa and Riviera Beach.
I was tasked at the time before I owned the company to find an accounting software. Gustavo, Consulting, and SAP Business One have been amazing, and it's been a blessing. We're way more efficient. We are more self-performing. We can create any report that we want, and it's been a game changer for our accounting department.
We started to work with Consultare in order to start this migration. The support that they give us, it was really, really amazing.
Because we were basically, accounting-wise, we're running 4 different companies under one. SAP Business One has been able to do that for us.
With SAP Business One and the work that we've done to make it speak directly with our estimating software, we kind of created the link between the two.
The process is automatic. Every day, every invoice that is created is migrated automatically to SAP without any mistake, without any error.
SAP helps me to make better decisions financially for the management of the company because I can see where everything stands. It's really a great tool to manage the company and try to stay on top of things.
This migration is going to help to get the numbers integrated in the same way from the other branches. Every invoice created from Tampa, from Fort Myers, from Orlando is going to be migrated in the same time to SAP.
I believe that is what makes a difference for us because we know where everything is at all times.
What SAP does is it gives us room to grow. SAP is written for companies from our size and up. If we raise revenue by $100 million, we know SAP will keep us on the right track there.
My next steps is hopefully to expand the business to the southeast of the United States. And I think SAP Business One and Gustavo and Consulting can help because of the way that they can break it up. So now I can have another business under us, and then I can see if it's valuable to me or not. SAP Business One will be critical in that decision of expanding.